Welcome, here I've got Motorola Edge 20 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button to open the advanced camera settings, and now we have to tap to capture settings category. Here we can find the leveler option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on to show you how it works, so let's move back to the camera, and here at the center of the preview we have this line. This is useful, for example, when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And of course, when we don't need the leveler, we have to go back to the right corner settings to capture settings category and tap to the leveler to turn it off. So for now in the preview it has gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.